In this video, I would like to teach you how to use the construction IR A infinitive. So what is it? It is a construction which is used to express actions that are going to happen in the near future. It is similar to the English construction be going to. First, we have to learn how to conjugate the verb ir. The verb ir means to go. So let's see the forms. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Voy means I am going, vas, you are going, va, he or she is going, vamos, we are going, vais, you are going, van, they are going. Now let's see some examples of how to create sentences with this construction. The first sentence, I am going to study. I am going to means voy a, and study means estudiar. Then we have the sentence, we are going to eat. We are going to means vamos a, and eat means comer. Then we have the sentence, they are going to dance. They are going to means van a, and dance means bailar. The next sentence is a question. Are you going to travel? And we should use the second person singular. Are you going to means vas a, and travel means viajar. Then the next sentence, I am going to work. I am going to means voy a, and the verb work means trabajar. Then the sentence, she's not going to listen to music. She is not going to means no va a. Listen to means escuchar. And music is música in Spanish. Then the sentence, I'm not going to read. I am not going to means no voy a. And the verb read means leer in Spanish. And the last sentence, we aren't going to swim. We aren't going to means no vamos a. And the verb swim means nadar in Spanish. In this part of the video, I would like to mention when we use the construction IR A infinitive. We use this construction when we discuss plans or intentions. For example, voy a aprender inglés este año. Voy a aprender inglés este año means I'm going to learn English this year. Voy a aprender is the construction, and it means I'm going to learn. Inglés means English, este año, this year. Then we use this construction when we make predictions based on present evidence. For example, va a llover porque el cielo está muy oscuro. This sentence means it is going to rain because the sky is very dark. And again, va a llover is the construction. Va a llover means it is going to rain. Porque means because. El cielo, the sky. Está means is. Muy oscuro, very dark. And we also use this construction when we talk about future events that are certain or decided. For example, vamos a tener una fiesta mañana. Vamos a tener una fiesta mañana means we are going to have a party tomorrow. And again, vamos a tener is the construction. Vamos a tener means we are going to have. Una fiesta means a party, and mañana means tomorrow. I believe you understand when and how to use this construction. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, so please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for getting more content. Thank you. Bye.